Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Guys Fishing. So today we are at Punggol Waterfront. Yeah, Punggol Waterfront. The time now is about 12 plus 1 AM. Yeah, so we'll stay here probably overnight. Yeah, okay, most likely overnight lah. There's no way we're going back at like 4 AM or some shit. So we'll be here overnight until maybe first light-ish, plus minus, see how things go. The conditions now, it's almost dead low tide. I think just over, or haven't reached yet, something like that. It's close to dead low tide. Yep, so honestly I'm not expecting much for the next maybe couple of hours, like maybe 2 hours or something. They'll probably be quiet. The current is also quite dead, yeah, because low tide. So we'll set up, fish, and update you guys later.
What is that? Oh, salty.
Oh, you try to eat whole. Alright guys, update. Time now is 2 something. 2 plus. As I expected, nothing much. Had a small usat, I think 2 usat and 1 angchoki, so small one. Other than that, it's been very quiet. Yeah, just very quiet. Okay lah, not it's quite expected for this type of timing at dead low tide. So we'll continue fishing and update you guys later. She doesn't really have spikes.
Just push it back in.
Oh, long these are.
Yeah, vlogging already.
Already. Yeah. It's a toadfish, stargazer. Something like that, stargazer, because the 2 eye on top. Okay, anyway. I don't know if it's poisonous or venomous. It looks venomous, but I can't feel any spikes. So yeah, okay, anyways, going back. Bye-bye.
Just landed a hybrid grouper.
Yeah.
So
what I advise guys, don't put this back. Okay, no matter how big, don't care, don't put it back. Yeah, even a small, just tap out it.
Yeah, it's small lah, but this one is an invasive species.
This grouper it's called a hybrid because it's a hybrid between a tiger grouper and a giant grouper. Yeah, so it's not meant to exist. It was created to be farmed.
Created by University of Sabah.
Yeah, for food. Yeah, but it escaped. So this is not a natural species. Yeah, and it's very hardy. It can survive a lot of temperature ranges. It eats a lot of our native fish. So this thing, okay, people usually call hybrid or they call pearl garupa. Just tap out it. Serious. No matter what size, right, just tap out it.
It's for the good of the environment.
Don't let this go. Okay. And anyway, this one's solo all the way in.
Right. Yeah. So okay. Called a green eye lah.
Big fin with squid. You call green eye.
So we're going to try to bait it up.
Oh, it looks very lifeless. Okay, so basically it's a size 3 long snook. Yeah, with tight wire in case something try and bite through or what. So basically all you need to do is to hook it through. it, and that's enough. Yeah. He's still alive, I think so, right? Should be.
Yeah. Okay.
Onto something. Oh. Oh. Small orange spot. Oh, okay.
Wow.
Nice fish though.
Oh shit, like push all the way, sir.
Never mind. Okay, come on. Hold the phone. Oh, come on. Give him the sotong lah. Okay, little orange spot. Time to go back. Bye bye. Oh, he spat the sotong. Alright guys, we have come to the end of the station. Time now is about 6:34. Yeah, so we both very tired. After the hybrid, there was 2 orange spot. Then other than that, honestly nothing much. Right? It's just quiet. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next episode. Bye.